Hi, this is Mr. Huber, and I would like to talk about exercise 5 here. An isosceles triangle has sides of length 10 centimeters. Well, 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters, well, these are obviously of the same length, and 6 centimeters, this one here. Calculate the angles of the triangle. Well, again, I've made a sketch. Here we go. This is our isosceles triangle. Now, 10, 10, and 6. Well, this is the height. Well, now you know this is 3. That's obvious. And we need right-angled triangles because it's an isosceles triangle. So now we need to work we need to work out the angles. So we need to use trigonometry. Look, cosine beta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Why is that? Because beta is here. This is what I labeled beta. This is the adjacent side. Well, this triangle, we're looking at this right triangle here. This is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. So we can use the cosine ratio. Now let's plug in what we know. Cosine beta, that's what we want to work out. Beta is 3/10. Well, now we want to work out an angle. That means we need to use the inverse cosine, arc cosine, or sine to the minus 1. Cosine to the minus 1. So this is what we do. Again, you type in cosine to the minus 1 with the shift key. Well, when you work this out, you're going to get 72.54 degrees. Now, if we wanted to work out gamma, we could do it like this. Well, alpha and beta are equal. That's obvious because it's an isosceles triangle. Now look, sine gamma halves. Sine gamma halves in this right triangle. Sine gamma halves. So that's opposite over hypotenuse. This is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. Well, let's plug in what we know. Well, we know the opposite side, 3. 10 is the hypotenuse still. And, well, this is gamma halves. Well, again, we need to use the inverse sign in order to work out gamma halves. Well, that's what we do. Inverse sine or arc sine, as I prefer. Arc sine of 3/10. You have to type this into your calculator and you're going to get gamma halves. But well, we want gamma. Actually, we want gamma. So why not multiply everything by 2? Well, this is what you get when you multiply everything by 2. 2 times arc sine of 3/10 or 2 times sine to the minus 1 of 3/10. When you type this in, you're going to get 34.92 degrees. Well, maybe you noticed, why am I doing it like this? We could have worked it out with the interior sum. Well, because alpha plus beta plus gamma is 180 degrees. Once we have one of the angles, well, we know all of the angles. So we could have worked it out like this, but I just wanted to show you that you can use the new method and it's very convenient. I hope everything's all right. See you in the next one.